folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here. We're out here at the Avon Park Field. We're going to be finally doing the Maiden on my FMS Sky Trainer 182. As I'm just down there doing a range test. So I'm going to get her turned around here. And we're going to see if we can't, we're going to get her turned around here. We're going to see if we can't get her up and get a nice maiden out of her. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get her right there. I'm going to turn away from the plane. I've already done a range test. I'm going to walk down here a little bit further and see what we can do now. All right, we're not going to do takeoff flaps or anything else. You know what, let's one more time do a real quick control surface check just to be on the safe side. All right, right, left, up, down, right, left, right, left. All right, I think that'll do it. So let's take it off. A little nervous here, because like I say, this is the maiden of this plane. So a little bit nervous, as these aren't exactly the most ideal conditions to fly her in. Well, she's doing pretty good. Yeah, she is. I gotta say, she's doing pretty good. Now, I'm just running a regular Spectrum. No, I'm sorry. I'm lying to you now. I'm just running a just an aftermarket Spectrum protocol receiver. Nothing fancy. So I'm just running her through her paces, trying to see how she reacts. She's a little twitchy, but that's okay.
Landing flaps.
Yeah, y'all know that when I'm not talking, oh, boy. But y'all, like I say, when y'all know when I'm not talking, you know I'm nervous. But not bad for a first takeoff and landing ever. All right, let's try that again. And all right. Like I say, this plane here, if you watched my build on her, this plane is not meant to be an aerobatic sort of trainer or anything like that. All right. Yeah, she's not meant to be kind of an aerobatic trainer or aerobatic anything. She's just supposed to be meant to be scale flown. Now you can upgrade her to a 4-cell if you want to, but understand that that's just going to be straightforward flying. Whoa. So understand that. I mean, straightforward fast flying if you want to put a 4-cell, but you start doing any snaps and rolls and you're going to wish you hadn't done that. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Not bad at all. No flaps that time because I wanted to see how she would react. And so far, I'm quite impressed with her. Like I say, she's got no kind of stabilization or gyro or anything to help buffer the wind. This is just, and I got a cross breeze landing, so probably not the best way to maiden, but you know, hey, fly when you can, right?
Landing flaps.
We're gonna do, yeah. Yeah. That wind is horrible. I can just imagine how much fun she would be though, if it wasn't such a bad wind.
Flaps up.
That seems to be a common theme with me lately. Wondering how much fun a plane would be if I didn't have to deal with so much wind, cross breeze. This runway runs east to west, and so a north wind or a south wind makes it hard. Straighten her out there. Oh man. But good thing we got some suspension there in that.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
Well, that's that tape hanging down is all that is. Okay. I got something hanging. There's a little piece of tape that they got for the receiver tab in the back there. And that's what I was seeing. Yeah. Hey, a little bit of a knife head, just a little bitty one, baby one, baby one. That's because we can't do a flyby here. Yeah, wind is just throwing her all over the highway, all over the runway and all over this field. Yeah, I'm really having to fight the wind, but she's doing pretty good for having to fight the wind so bad. Doing pretty good, I have to admit.
Flaps up.
But yeah, I can just imagine how much fun she would be on a nice calm day.
Landing flaps.
You know what?
Takeoff flaps.
We'll land her with takeoff flaps this time. I'm running a 2600 3-cylinder right now. Slightly larger than what called for.
Landing flaps.
So not bad for a maiden run. All right, folks, well, there you go.
Flaps up.
That is this FMS Sky Trainer 182. That was the maiden. That was the first time she's ever been in the air. And I'm quite impressed with her, despite the sketchy landings. But like I say, see the flag? See, I'm dealing with a cross breeze, and that's kind of hard when you're trying to maiden something and figure out whether she's trimmed or not. So thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Are you a happy bird? You're a happy bird. Thank you so much, folks. Don't forget to hug your family. Bye-bye.